Hey guys, I'm back again with another Linux for Beginners tutorial. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to use the Pwd command. Okay, so what that means is print working directory. So meaning it's just a command used to display the current working directory. So we'll demonstrate that on our terminal. Open up your terminal. So once you have your terminal open, what you want to do first of all is, if I use a pwd command right now, pwd like that, if I press enter, as you can see it's showing me the actual location on my current working directory, my current working location, so where I'm at. Print working directory, which is pwd command, is used to just show you where you are at. So in a sense where you have run a bunch of commands and you are not sure now in which directory you are at or in which directory you are working at, just press just type in the pwd command and press enter. It will show you the exact location where you are working in. Okay, so let's say for example, see if I cd into what's this, desktop. Okay, so if I use the ls command, so if you don't know what the ls command and the cd command what they do, I have videos linked in the description below. We've passed through the two commands already. So but what they do is, the other one means change directory, which is the cd, and the other one is list, meaning list whatever is in a certain directory. So those videos are linked in the description below. You can check them out as well. Okay, so we continue with our pwd command. Okay, so let's say if I list like the way we've listed in our desktop directory, let me also cd into another directory, which is your script. Okay, so now ls into that. Okay, so as you can see, let's say this is the first, so this is a movement that you've done. Okay, let me clear my terminal. Hold down Ctrl and L, that is to clear the whole terminal, or you can just write in that command clear, it will do the same thing as well. Okay, so now if let's say for example after clearing you forget which directory you are working in or what directory you are in at the moment, let's say for example you want to do a git command or a git clone command and you are not sure in which directory you're running in, you can use the pwd command like that, press enter, and it will show you exactly where you're at. So it will tell you in so the exact path to reach that exact directory you're in. So it's showing me I'm in Lazy script, but I moved from my home directory. So this is this hack is also a directory, then my user directory, then you get my desktop, which we went from our desktop into our script. So that's how you use your pwd command. And just a recap, pwd stands for print working directory. So if you are lost, you don't know where you are at, just use a pwd command to show you the exact path and location where you are at. So if you like the video guys, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel so that I continue bringing out this good content to help you out figure out and to know how to use Linux, because you can use Linux for a lot of things. So in this series, as I said, I will be showing you each command and how it works. And if you have a specific command that you'd like to know, please leave it in the comment section so that I can review it and I can create a video on that specific command, and so that others also can learn from your questions. So please, if you have a question, leave it in the description and I'll surely get back to you. And thank you for watching this video, and subscribe.